Hello, welcome to everyone. My channel Tech Dude. Today topic is the ChatGPT sensing the hype and unveiling the reality. This introduction of the ChatGPT, the presentation explore ChatGPT elementary language models which will assess hyper surrounding it and unveiling reality. It is capable to imitation join us journey and understand impact such as a technology. What is the ChatGPT? This ChatGPT advanced language is developed by OpenAI using deep learning and technician general like a text-based. It is input receiving these slides deal with the architecture and the understanding the technologies that powers it is a functionality. The hyper around ChatGPT, the hyper surrounding ChatGPT stems from the ability of the producing and excellent relevant to text. Many believe can revitalization fields like a customer care services, educational services, and content creators. However, it is too essential to critical evaluations. Real world application. This ChatGPT's implementation various sectors including healthcare, finance, entertainment. It is velocity is also business and enhance users experience. The streamless operation. This slide will be highlighted some not full application their outcomes. Strength of ChatGPT. Among the strength of ChatGPT is excel is natural language understanding and generating women-like a response. It is ability to learn from vast data set, enable to provide continuously accurate information, make it valuable in numerous applications. Limitations of ChatGPT. Descriptive capability. ChatGPT limitation. It is maybe generate incorrect essential answers, lack of true understanding can propagate biases, present training data, recognize this limitation, crucial response usage, ethic consideration. This rising ChatGPT is the implementation ethical questions including piracy corners and the potential misuse essential to establish guidelines to ensure that technology use responsibility and does not harm individual society. Those future developments looks at the future of the ChatGPT similar to modules promising ongoing research aims to enhance the accuracy, reduce biases, and improving ethical framework. The slides discuss potential advance and their implementations. Use feedback and illiterate. Use feedbacks with digital evaluation. ChatGPT continuously based on real world usage of help improve response and adapt users needs. This slide will explore this feedback loops contributed and developed. The conclusion of this ChatGPT. In conclusion, while ChatGPT holding significant potential issues, essential the balancing the hyper with the realistic understanding, capability and the limitations, responsibilities, usage of ongoing development, shape you features, impact and society. Please subscribe my Tech Dude channel. Please like my Tech Dude channel. Thanking you once again, your Tech Dude.